What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting a starter in my Explorer. If you guys have watched a couple videos back, I talked about the fact that it wouldn't start when somebody came to look at it. I had put it up for sale and somebody came to look at it and it didn't start. You know, luck of the draw, I guess. Diagnosis needing a starter. We're going to get that replaced today. I'm in kind of a bad situation with it because as of right now, it's sitting on the ground next to my driveway. It's too soft for me to put a jack down to lift the truck up, so I'm actually going to have to do it with the truck on the ground. That's a little bit more of a real world situation for some people because you may be out in public in a parking lot someplace without access to a jack and jack stands and have to do this. So you're going to see it's kind of a struggle. It's hard to get in there, but I'll show you guys how to do it. So let's get to this. One of the first things you should do before doing a starter job is to make sure that you get your ground cable off so that you don't arc anything out while you're down there taking the cables apart off of the starter. So we're going to get our ground disconnected here. And we'll tuck it off to the side so it doesn't come back up and touch. Let's go underneath and get the starter off. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys before I get started taking this out what I'm going to be doing. There is a ground right here that's got this top nut's got to come off, and then the nut underneath it has to come off. That's one of the screws, the bolts that holds the starter in. And then over here on the other side, right here, is the other bolt that holds the starter, and those are both 13s. This is going to be, I believe, a 16. I'll correct that in the video once I figure out what size it is. And then up here, I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see if we can get in here to see. Okay. Up there is a 10 right here. That's for the signal wire for the starter solenoid. And then above that, up here, is the power wire. So the power wire is going to be kind of hard for me to get to with the starter in place. I can't actually see the screw that holds it on from down here, or from looking over on this side, I can't really see it either. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the starter out and then pull it down a little bit so I can get access to that nut. So let's get started getting this starter out. Alright guys, so I got the starter replaced in the Explorer. As you can hear, it's running now. It's relatively difficult to do on the ground. It's not impossible. It's just hard to do. It'd be a lot easier if you had jacks and a jack stand or a lift to do it on, but it's doable on the ground. Did not lift the car up at all, just crawled underneath it in the dirt and muck that is underneath my truck over here at the side of my driveway and was able to get it replaced. It's not easy to get to. Like I said, you have to pull the starter out and pull it down to be able to get to the power main battery connection on the top of it, which is the 13. But other than that, not too difficult. Swap the starter out, throw it back in there, got it started up, everything's good now. So if you guys could comment down below if you have any questions. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later.